Hey y'all, what's up? So I wanted to show you guys, I did pick out my hair before wash day, and as you can see, my hair has stopped shedding ever since I changed my diet and started drinking more water, taking vitamins, and just everything. Did the big chop. My hair has really stopped shedding, so I'm so excited about that. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go in with my Paul Mitchell clarifying shampoo. But before I do that, I'm going to break down the hair first. I'm just going in with hot water and just breaking down the hair before I start the shampoo process. And I like to, this is definitely sped up, and you can go as long as you want, but you want to make sure that the hair is nice and clean. So I always suggest going in with a clarifying shampoo first, to get any buildup and dirt and sweat. I work out and I put product in my hair, and so and then I'm outside, so you definitely want to go in with the nice clarifying shampoo and get that out first, before you go in with your moisturizing shampoo. If you can see close, I have low porosity hair, so it looks like the water is just bouncing off of my hair. Like, it doesn't even look like it's even getting wet. So yeah, I have low porosity, and that basically is just, it's hard for your hair to absorb water or treatment. And now I'm going in with the Mielle shampoo, the mint shampoo, and I'm going in with my scalp massager first, just to give my scalp a nice massage. Oh, it feels so good. I highly recommend that you give yourself scalp massages on a daily basis. Now I'm going in with the hair mask as well by Mielle. I got the whole line. I got the shampoo, leave-in conditioner, mask, and the drops. And so to make sure that the mask is in my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and comb through it to make sure every hair is saturated with the mask. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on a plastic cap and sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes on hot air. And you don't have to use a sit under dryer. You can just keep it on around the house. I'll probably maybe double the caps or something, but you can just sit around the house for a couple minutes, a few minutes as well. You don't have to necessarily do, the sit under dryer method if you don't have a sit under dryer, so don't worry. But I'll go ahead now and then rinse out the product. I'm going in with like cool water because I want to definitely keep the moisture in. So I'm just going in with cool water to make sure everything is out. And just watch. This is my first time ever watching myself wash my hair, and I'm just like, my hair has gotten so thick, y'all. I just can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I'm so happy. I've never had, I have like a little bald spot. I've had that since a child. So I don't know, just in case you're looking or wondering. But yeah, that ain't going nowhere, unfortunately. But now I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner by Mielle, and get the hair nice and saturated before I start the flat twist process. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pick everything out before I start my flat twist. Just want to make sure everything is, as detangled as possible. I still have my leave-in conditioner in there. And now I'm going to go ahead and try to make my part nice and crispy. Let me tell y'all something. My arms were on fire, okay? Listen, I applaud everybody that does this on their own head on a daily basis. This is not for the weak. Now, let me stop. Let me stop. But my arms were on fire. Now, I can't sit up here and hold that. It was on fire. But the more I do it, the more, it'll be easier for me to do. So it's all good. And like I said, I didn't like how the flat twist came out. That's why it does say, fail. But that's okay. That's okay. Practice what makes perfect. And I'm going to keep trying and keep practicing and keep doing it until, it looks good or looks the way I want it to look. I might go in next time too and try the perm rods once my hair, I think, gets a little longer maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Just got to keep doing it. But I'm just proud of myself for even doing it. So, and I'll take you guys along on my journey. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do my flat twist, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Or I believe the next clip is the end of the video. And the cream that I use, it was the Uncle Funky's daughter cream that I used on my hair. Okay. All right, y'all, so I am back, and this is the final look. I really do like it. I ain't gonna sit up here and hold y'all. I like it. I like it. It didn't get like how the other girls, like they flat twist look. This looked like a little fro. So, I don't know. So, I probably just didn't use the right cream. So, if you guys know of any like cream I can use for a flat twist, please list them down below. So I can try it next time. I did the Uncle Funky's daughter, and it says it's for curly textures and kinky hair. But you know what? Everybody's hair is different. For one, I have low porosity hair, so anything I put on my hair is just gonna absorb. So that's one thing. So yeah, so if you have anything that you think I should use, or if you know of any product I should use to do my flat twist next time, let me know. I know I'm not doing it right, so I'm gonna keep working on it. But you know what? Let me tell you something. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna go right to the stove with my little whatever this is, and feel fine and be cute. And listen, this is my hair, and I done came a long way to get here. Okay, so I'm gonna wear it just like this. You know, but I am gonna put a rinse on my hair. It definitely needs some color. It definitely needs some color, I feel like. You know, so I'm gonna find me a nice rinse that has like vitamin E oil in it. And I'm gonna record it for you guys. It's okay to do rinses on your hair, because a lot of rinses, they have like vitamin E oil and stuff in it, and it's just depositing on your hair, versus if you dye your hair or bleach your hair, you kind of stripping and damaging your hair, which we all do. And listen, I'm not telling you not to do it, but if you're trying to, like, you know, grow your hair and be on a nice healthy hair journey, I would recommend doing a rinse. And but if you are going to color your hair or bleach it, I just recommend that you do your daily deep condition treatments. Keep it moisturized, because that's how a lot of people their hair falls out, because they're not keeping up with that maintenance. It's a lot of maintenance when you color your hair or bleach your hair. So that's all I'm saying. But me, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a rinse on it and call it a day. Also, I will link the video about what's in this bottle. I'll link it down below so you guys can watch that and see all the ingredients that I put in that bottle. And then for my edges, I did use the edge booster. Love it, always gets me right. And everything I used today, I'll definitely list it down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. I don't know where my boyfriend got this pick, but you can, you know, if I can find something, I'll put it in the description box down below. It got like a little fist on it. He might have got it from the hair store, to be quite honest. But if I can find anything, I'll definitely list it down below. And then the earrings, they are part of my Etsy store, so I will link them down below as well. I'm having a 50% off sale, so definitely check me out. And as always, you know, thank you for tuning in and, you know, riding with me through this natural journey. I'm trying to get my light together. But riding with me through this natural hair journey of mine. I really appreciate it. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and God bless.